Hi my lovelies, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. If you're new to my channel, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos, lots of lifestyle content. At the moment I'm doing lots of Christmas content because obviously we are leading up to Christmas. I compiled the playlist of Christmas with Amanda Oak Ince, Christmas 2023 with Amanda Oak Ince. The link for that playlist is in the description box. So if you fancy watching any of my Christmas content, do click on that link and it will show you all my Christmas content for this year so far. So I would also like you to stick around and hit the subscribe button for more Christmas content and switch your notification bells on so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming Christmas content. If you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video, which I'm excited for. This video is a collaboration. Now you probably tell by the title, I'm going to be making up a luxury gift hamper on a budget. A £20 budget to make up this luxury gift hamper. A little bit of a challenge really. So I've got a few bits and bobs, mainly from Aldi. I would say all of it is from Aldi. So I'm going to be making up a Christmas spa luxury hamper on a budget, £20 budget, in today's video. Today's video is also in collaboration with two of my gorgeous lovely friends from YouTube. Emma from Emma's Lifestyle. Emma from Emma Louise. I've collaborated with Emma on a number of videos. I absolutely love collaborating with Emma. Emma's channel is very similar to mine, lifestyle channel, lots of shopping hauls and lots of bargains as well. And the same with Elayne. It's the first time I'm collaborating with Elayne, but I do absolutely love her channel. Again, very similar to mine and Emma's. Lifestyle channel, shopping hauls, try on hauls, DIYs, baking, cooking, lifestyle, home life and all the rest of it, okay? I absolutely love both of their channels. So do pop over and check out their videos and their channels. After you've watched my video today, I'll put a link to their videos and their channel in the description box below. They've also got the challenge to put together a Christmas gift, £20 and under, so it's a bit of a challenge for the three of us. And if you've come over from Emma or Elayne's channel, hi, my name's Amanda. It's lovely to meet you. Love you to stick around and hit that subscribe button somewhere down there, okay guys? So like I said, my gift hamper or my gift is mainly items from Aldi. I've got one or two items I'm not going to actually include in the cost of this gift because I've purchased them before. I've had them around the house before. I'm just going to use them to make this hamper really luxurious for Christmas, okay? So I'm going to show you the items I'm going to be using. As always, I do like to show you the items that I'm going to be using. That you may have seen these before in a haul of mine, so do forgive me if I'm showing them again. But of course, if you're new, you would not have seen them, so I'm going to be showing these again. So I've got all the hotel collection items from Aldi, and I'm going to be using the #1 range. So I absolutely love the #1 range. So lime, mandarin and basil candle. I've also got the reed diffuser in the same scent. It's all the #1 scent, okay? I've also got the perfume. So that's in the lime, mandarin and basil. And then I've got these two luxury hand and body lotion and the luxury hand and body wash. I absolutely love how these look, the aesthetics of them. I absolutely love how they look. I'm going to jazz them up a little bit more for this hamper. So that's going to be like a hamper and also a DIY. And then I've also got these chocolates. These are the Nicolia chocolates from Aldi, specially selected. These are very similar to Ferrero Rocher chocolates. We absolutely love these and they're going to look absolutely stunning in this hamper. So I've also got a basket. Now this basket I've had before, okay? This I think is from Poundland, but I've had this before in my stash. I've got this white towel as well that I'm going to be using to bulk up the basket. So I've also got some black ribbon. Okay, I've got this black sheer ribbon and I've also got this wider black kind of like satin ribbon, and then I've also got these black bows which are just so luxury. I mean, these can turn a simple item, like a simple cosmetic item or any item, into something that looks more luxurious. So I'm going to be using these as well. Now I did actually use one of these bowls on my Christmas DIY where I made up a lovely centerpiece and I just put the bow around the neck of the vase and it looked absolutely gorgeous. You'll find that video linked in the playlist, okay? Then I'm also going to be using glue dots because these glue dots are absolutely amazing for, you know, sticking items onto things, you know, without damaging them, or if it's just for a temporary measure. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to pop one of these bows onto these items just at the front there, like so, just to make it a little bit more luxurious. You probably can't see it well like this, but I'm going to use the glue dots, okay? This is where the glue dots come in handy. So I'm just going to put one glue dot, or maybe two. I'm going to put 2 glue dots onto the front. Okay, and then I'm going to attach the bowl. Now guys, look at this. Just by adding that bowl, it's already given this a luxurious feel. As it looks already, it's absolutely gorgeous. But guys, look how it is with this bowl on there. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place one of those bowls on each of these items. Now, I hope you guys are doing well, you know. I hope you're not getting too stressed out with the whole Christmas thing, you know, because Christmas can be quite stressful, can't it? We're doing Christmas on a budget this year. Me, my family, my sisters and everyone. We're doing it all on a budget. You know, we're going to, like, we're being very sensible. We're being very, very sensible. You know, oh, it's my birthday tomorrow, guys. Yes, it's my birthday tomorrow. I'm not going to be doing much because I'm still kind of like not so great in myself. I'm still going to celebrate. You know, I'm going to go for a little meal with Oakley and hubby and, you know, just see my birthday in like that. You know, I'll just give thanks that I'm here and it's all good. It's all good, guys. Yes. So anyways, yes, I've done that one as well. So can you see how these look together, guys? Absolutely stunning, you know, just by adding the bowl. So I'm also going to add a bowl to the perfume box as well. Now I'm thinking to actually take the perfume out of the box. I'm not sure if I should do that or not, to be fair. It is such a lovely bottle. Now this perfume is a definite dupe of the, what's it, Jo Malone products. I mean, look how gorgeous that is, guys. Absolutely stunning. I absolutely love the packaging on this. So I am going to take it out of the box and I'm going to add a bowl to that one as well. Now, I think this is such a good idea because I'm literally just jazzing up these items from Aldi and making them look a little bit more, you know, a little bit more luxurious. I know I said that several times, but that's just me, you know. Yeah, I'm getting really excited about this because I'm absolutely loving how it's looking. So, yeah, that's the perfume now with just the bowl on it. Oh, my goodness, that is so, so gorgeous. So I'm just giving you an idea that you can actually go to these shops, go to Aldi, buy the same products, jazz them up, put them in a hamper, and you can give them to your loved ones for Christmas on a budget, you know. I mean, this perfume on its own, guys, that's $6.99, just absolutely brilliant price point. It's 100ml and it smells absolutely gorgeous. It smells very similar to the Jo Malone Lime Basil Mandarin. I absolutely love these. So also the Reed Diffuser. Now I might leave the Reed Diffuser in its original box because I do like the new packaging that Aldi has introduced. So yes, I'm just going to add another of the black bowls to the Reed Diffuser as well. And I've got a little bowl left to put on top of the candle. So next I'm just going to take this basket and this white towel, this pure white towel, and I'm going to put the towel into the basket just to bulk it up. So I'm just going to take the Reed Diffuser and place it in the middle of the basket. Then I'm going to take the hand and body wash and just place it on that side of the basket. Then I'm going to take the hand and body lotion and just place it on the side there. I'm actually going to swap that out, put the candle in and then put the hand and body lotion like so. And then I'm going to add the perfume. Then I'm going to take these chocolates, I'm just going to open them up. Just going to sprinkle some of them all over the basket. And I think this looks absolutely stunning, how it looks at the moment. So what I'm going to do now is just finish it off with some cellophane. And there is my Christmas hamper on a budget, £20, guys. The total of this, not including the towel, the items that I picked up in Aldi came up to £20 actually, just over £20. I think £20 and like 41 pence. But guys, look what I've created with it. It's absolutely stunning. I absolutely love it. So that's my £20 gift idea, you know, on a budget, all items from Aldi. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Do give it a thumbs up, a like, subscribe if you are new for more Christmas content. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. And don't forget to switch on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when one of my videos go live, okay? So guys, don't forget to check out the lovely Emma and Elayne's video. The links to their videos will be in my description box below. Pop over and see what ideas they've put together with their £20 gift challenge. You know, I'm not sure what Emma's going to be doing. I'm not sure what Elayne's going to be doing, but I know they're going to be bringing something absolutely amazing to the table. Pop over to their channels, say hello to them, and let them know that I sent you over. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Take care, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you on the thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video has inspired you to, you know, pop down to your budget stores. You can pick up some really lovely beauty items. You can pick up like snacks. You can pick up anything really. Pop it into a nice basket, jazz it all up like this, and you've got an amazing gift hamper to give to your loved one for Christmas on a budget as well. Okay guys, I'd like to say thank you to both Emma and Elayne for collaborating with me on today's video. It's been absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see what both of you have brought to the table, your £20 gift idea on a budget. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.